Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and in last video we have discussed regarding the light yaki hair texture. We have showed you the sample of the lace frontal wig as well as the headband wig, and today's video I will show you another light yaki same hair texture wig but in upart wig. And this is a upart wig that we make. It's a middle parting, so have to bend here to make this. You can cut this and then part your own hair from this parting space, and we can also do like right parting or left parting. So when you place your order, you can leave your message that you want left parting or right parting. It's same texture as before, light yaki, and it's also a Remy Hair, made of the Remy Hair. Actually, you can see it's a very beautiful and very full wigs you can get with this 20 inches 150 density. And I can show you the inside of the upart wig so you can have idea what is inside. This is the inside part of the upart wig, and you can see that it's a medium cap size, and we can do different cap sizes. You can check the buyer's guide on our website. We can do large, small, medium, or you can tell us that what circumference you have, and we can do. And usually we make inside with either it's the comb, or we can also do clips as well. So on the back side it's the same as the lace frontal wigs. It has 4 comb here, and in the upart we have putting 3 comb here. Of course, if you want clips, or you want to put the clip or combs in different area, that we can also do according to your requirement. And this is the inside of the lace cap.